We use the tagline "Beef at its best," and one of the things that is critical for us is that we're producing a product that is not only really high quality, but safe. We chose Birko to be a partner with us here because they're an industry leader when it comes to intervention technology in meat processing. For us, the Elite 360 has enabled us to do additional business that we didn't have the opportunity for. One of the most important things, in my opinion, for the meat industry is making sure that we can provide safe food to the public. The Elite 360, I think, is critical to our success as an industry because it allows us to have that extra step, that extra intervention that might allow us to extend our shelf life, it might allow us to knock back any bacteria, and would allow us to provide a product that's just one level safer for the consumer. So the Elite 360 definitely uses less water and less chemical as you're spraying the product. The electrostatic technology forces the spray to really get on the meat and get on the product as opposed to wasting it and running it right down your drain and sending it out into a septic system. Sustainability is really a big part of what we do at Pineland Farms. We're really into making sure that our animals are treated right and that we're raising them properly, and having things that are sustainable over time is critical to our business.
Elite 360 has made my operation faster and smoother, and my employees love it because it's not backbreaking. And I can literally set my concentrations for PAA and never have to worry that they'll slip. We have two Birko cabinets in place. We have a lactic acid machine and a PAA machine. The PAA machine gave us our necessary 2 log reduction. We got a 2.48. That's impressive because when you put trim through Elite 360, we got a 2.48 log reduction. I can safely say that this is the least amount of chemical I have to purchase all year. 360 is more efficient, it uses PAA correctly, it doesn't overspray, I don't lose a lot of chemical, and I only have to purchase, I'd say for my needs, 2-3 tons a year, which is incredible. The Elite 360's ability to coat all portions of all product is critical. That's key. That is what makes food safety food safety. The partnership that Pineland Farms Natural Meats has forged with Birko has been one of the best decisions we've made since opening this plant.